Rice Lake weighing systems chair scales fit in small spaces and are ideal for accurately weighing patients who can be transferred from a bed or wheelchair. Choose between Rice Lake's digital chair scales with capacities up to 660 pounds or a mechanical chair scale option with a 440-pound capacity. Each scale utilizes motion trap movement compensation technology, which presents a steady, accurate weight reading even when patients cannot remain completely still. The scales are effortless to move in and out of storage. Their smart design incorporates swivel caster wheels, including 2 rear locking wheels for convenient portability and placement. Make sure the scale is placed on a flat, level surface and the rear caster wheels are locked in place. Do not place the scale on thick carpeting. The scale should not be placed beneath heating or cooling vents or areas with environmental vibration. The scale should be oriented so the patient has clear access to enter and exit the chair. All Rice Lake digital chair scales feature locking units of measure, which prevents the operator from unknowingly switching between kilograms and pounds and vice versa. This essential safety feature helps prevent dosing errors due to calculations based on incorrect units of measure. Front panel display keys include 0 and tare. 0 clears the weight displayed on the scale, returning it to 0, while tare is used to subtract the weight of additional items such as oxygen tanks, IV bags, or other equipment from the scale to pinpoint only the weight of the patient. Proper care and cleaning is essential to ensure a long life of effective operation. Rice Lake's chair scales are easy to clean. Simply disconnect the scale from its power source and use a damp cloth or tissue to clean all external surfaces. Mild soap and water may be used, however, isopropyl alcohol should not be used, as it may damage the display surface on electronic chair scales. Dry with a clean, soft cloth. Rice Lake Weighing System sets a high standard in medical weighing equipment. The combination of efficiency, safety, and scale features with the added value of 70-plus years of weighing technology leadership makes the company the industry's leading choice. From hospitals to clinics and health clubs, any health or fitness environment can utilize Rice Lake's proven scale technology, all with legendary service and support.